Alright, so after that long day of work, you get home and you're exhausted and there's nothing like that M word. You know what that is? Massage. Yeah, well that's just me. So in today's video, we have partnered up with a company called Bob and Brad. I mean, they gotta be pretty cool considering they've got the same name as me, right? Come on. We're gonna be checking out their C2 massage gun in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Let's go do it. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. In today's episode, we have partnered up with a company called Bob and Brad, and they gotta be pretty awesome considering they got the same name as me, right? Y'all think I'm awesome, right? I mean, you do, right? Well, I'm hoping you guys think I'm pretty awesome. Let me know in the comments. Either way, they have partnered up with us to give you the C2 massager. We're going to take an unboxing of that and see what we think. And of course, we have all of our links and details located in the description. So make sure you check them out. And first, let's go do an unboxing. All right, we have the C2 massage gun, and it is by Bob and Brad. This is an awesome massage gun. We're going to get it out of the box and see what we get inside. Right into the top. Oh, it comes in a nice case. This is tight. Let's get it out. All right, this case feels awesome. It's got the nice branding right there in the corner. Bob and Brad. On the zippers, we have no branding. Comes around very nice to be unzipped. Always nice when you get something with a carrying case. Makes the difference. Getting it right out of its case, we have a USB and a USB-C, the user manual, and a fitting right here. Then in the lower part of the box, we have the attachments, different types of attachments and pieces for it, handle grips, all that good stuff. There's a nice one. It's got nice feeling to it. And then the massager itself out of the static-free plastic. And it looks like some serious hardware over here. Bob and Brad on the branding. On the top we have some vent holes for the air to flow. On the back we have the power button. And on the bottom we have the USB-C charging port. I'm pretty excited to get this going, so let's get it charged up and try it out after we get a massage. After the unboxing, the first thing I really noticed is how lightweight and portable this unit is, especially with the carrying case it comes with. The massage gun is only 1.5 pounds, so it's easily able to go in any small bag, gym bag, or home office briefcase, something like that. Or you can even just carry the case because it's basically a briefcase with a massager in it. But it was really nice knowing that it's small, compact, with so much performance power, and you can just carry it around very lightweight or stuff it into a gym bag. Because you never know when you're really gonna need a massage, and if you have it with you all the time, then you've got it when you need it. That is the point of carrying a massager like this. But speaking on the performance, let's talk about its power. It has a brushless motor that is super blocking torque energy output without interruption. And of course, a dual shaft structure that offers a stable operation. The max speed goes up to 3,200 RPM and can help muscle recover faster, reduce muscle pain, muscle fatigue, and acid buildup, encouraging blood flow to improve the range of motion and flexibility. Because we all know as we get older, we lose that flexibility and we get more fatigue in our muscles. Especially if you're continuously active and working out, it is nice to have that relief. Heck, I could even tell you days that I could use this after just a normal day's ride on the one wheel. When it comes for that time of use, you have 5 different massage heads and speeds. They are of course suitable for different parts of the body and can meet different needs. All the massage heads are in different shapes and can be used on different muscle groups to provide targeted therapy and fast recovery. So you can pretty much figure out which one of these you like most on that particular targeted muscle, and you can have your set. But when it comes to that long-term use, you have a large capacity battery built in this. It's a 2500 milliamp, and the original battery cells were supplied apply to Tesla for longer life and security. With its Type-C fast charging port, you can charge it from 5-volt 2-ounce, being whether it's a USB port or a power bank. You got so much ways of charging it, and that is something I really enjoy about it as well. It's not every massager you can just plug up to a normal cell phone battery bank and give it a full charge. That's pretty awesome. Not to mention you can use any USB Type-C phone plug. That's right, and now that USB-C is the standard for the new Apple devices and Android devices, that means basically all your friends are going to have a charger for this thing. Unless you're those friends who always lose phone cables and can never keep their phones charged. And we all have those friends. You know who you are. If you decide to put this down at any point and you don't turn it off, it's fine because we have a 10-minute smart chip, meaning the built-in chip will work for 10 minutes and do an automatic shutdown. This will avoid any overuse to harm the human body, as well as keeping it from burning up and a long use. If you turn it on and leave it and it runs for like all day until the battery dies, that probably wouldn't be too healthy. Not to mention this device is actually a lot quieter than other massagers I've used. And that is typically one of the biggest problems, is when you get a massage gun of this type, you want it to have a lot of performance. Well, performance comes that jackhammer sound you get when it's running. It's like a power tool. So it's pretty nice to know that they've rated this thing at under 60 dB during its testing. And that's even running at its max 3200 RPMs. That's pretty awesome. So overall, I am really impressed with this unit, and I have been enjoying the massages. And of course, I always love the fact that it's so portable and lightweight. I can just throw it in my bag, carry it with me anywhere, and wow. Pull it out whenever I'm stressed out and need to get a massage. So I would definitely recommend, if you're looking into a massager, to check out Bob and Brad products. Well, you know, especially since they have the same name as me. I just gotta keep bringing it up, don't I? But all in all, this is an awesome product, and I would highly recommend you to check it out. Once again, this is the C2 massager by Bob and Brad, and we have all of our links and details in the description. Make sure to check them out and give a huge shout out to them, because Bob and Brad, thanks for partnering up with us. We really enjoyed this product. We really enjoyed giving you guys this review. Make sure you hit that like button if you found this review helpful or you just liked it. Let us know what you thought about it in the comments. If you'd like to see more reviews like this one, then be sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll be alerted when new content is out. That is going to wrap it up for this one, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.